Hey bartenders, welcome back to the another session. We will learn snatch move in this session. It is important basic exhibition and working flair move. It can be used in many variations. It is unique super cool move. It's make the guest wow. You need to practice this move 1 hour to make this move smooth and perfect. We can perform this move with bottle and tin. Equipment should be in good condition while using and our hand should not be wet. Now I am going to show this move, snatch move, like this. For this move, we need to grab the shaker reverse grip. Base should be top and the open area should be downside. And grab like this. Bottle should be left hand. Just take bottle towards to left and direction should be like this. When direction should like this, you need to observe the base and snatch the bottle. Like this. When snatching the bottle, just follow the shaker to bottle and snatch the base and bring it to right side. Like this. Follow and snatch and bring it. Slowly first practice like this. Snatch. Snatch. When you're confident with this, just go through like this. When you're confident with little distance, then go with big distance. Now I am going to show with glass bottle. Snatch move. Just follow this bottle and snatch. Now I am performing this move in sequence. Be careful guys when you're snatching the bottle. First we need to observe the base and snatch it. If you snatch the body of the bottle, there are high chances to break the bottle and it may hurt you.